Hey everybody, Chef Anthony here. Today we're talking about steam ovens. Most importantly, we're talking about bread in steam ovens. So I got this very nice loaf of bread here. We got it oiled, proofed very nicely, and salted. So we're really going to try and focus on this steam oven. And I know you say steaming, the bread, you understand with the yeast and everything that it rises. But when we use this convection steam in these new models, right now, so we're at convection 375, you can check that out, with 100% moisture. Depending on your bread's recipe and how finite, especially with the big sourdoughs and things happening now, you can adjust this moisture level in the Gaggenau. So it really gives you that free range of motion to adjust how much steam and a percentage that we're getting in. So the cool factor is right here, we'll hit this button, flies right open. Check out the amount of steam in a steam oven, man. It just like billows out of here. When we're talking about that, this is really nice chef's backlight, has the convection fan in the center, and we're gonna pop this right in the center right here. Really watch it get golden brown and delicious, because cooking in that moist heat environment with the steam really aids in our baking aspects in anything fancy we do. So let's rock and roll. Okay, everyone, finishing out the Gaggenau steam oven. Look at the golden brown and then the even. That height we got there is really what we want to see. Convection fan working, steam oven working. Let's open it up, let the steam come out of there. Look at that. Let's slide this out. Let's get a closer look at what we got. Let's put it on the board right here. So, to recap, convection steam, 375, 100% moisture. Look at that. Crusty bread, really pulling right out, but golden brown from edge to edge. That's really what we see in convection, and that's what that moisture and that steam setting can do for fresh baked breads and all of our pastries. So I feel like this is a huge win for the steam oven and for all bakers at home.